how to fix Instagram messages that you fail. So all what you want to do, guys, is open the settings on your phone, and then you have to open the apps manager like this. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. As you can see right here, it will start loading, so you have to wait and then scroll until you find the Instagram. Now click on it and click on this force stop option, and then go to the storage right here. This is the internal storage of the app. Click on clear data, clear cache, and then you have to do one last thing, which is click on the power usage details, and then click on the power consumption alert. Make sure that it's enabled like this. Now last thing you want to do is update your Instagram in the Play Store or the App Store. Just search for it and click on update. Don't forget to like, subscribe.